Hello class, today we're going to talk about the third type of joint, the freely moving joints that you're familiar with called synovial joints. Now a good example of a synovial joint would be your elbow or your knee. These are the joints that move freely and they're held together. And although they're all different from one another, they all have some commonalities between themselves. They all have some common structures. So a synovial joint is going to always have at least two bones joined together. And in this case, I'm drawing the femur and the tibia for the knee joint. All bones are covered with a tough connective tissue membrane known as the periosteum. And you're going to notice that that periosteum will actually grow out of one bone across into the other bone, which creates a pouch known as the joint capsule that surrounds the entire joint. Now, inside of the joint, on the condyles of the bones, you're going to have articular cartilage, and this is there to provide some shock absorption and reduction of friction as the joint moves back and forth. Holding the bones together, the main structures holding the bones together are known as ligaments. In the case of the knee, there are 4 ligaments. In other joints, there are more. I don't think there are any joints with less, so ligaments hold bone to bone. Now, up on the femur, you've got a big muscle called the quadriceps, and I've drawn a tendon going across that joint, connecting the quadricep muscle to the tibia. So tendons also are found at joints. Now, in joints where the condyles are relatively flat, you'll have a cup of connective tissue where the condyle of one bone will fit onto the flattened plateau condyle of the other bone and help provide stability. The menisci, which I just drew, are made out of fibrocartilage. Lining the inside of the joint capsule is the joint membrane, the synovial membrane, and then filling that space is going to be the synovial fluid. I hope that helped. And the synovial fluid acts like oil to keep it lubricated. If you like what you've seen, please hit like and subscribe. See you later.